I've had a massive 50% sale on my courses recently, and I've noticed that a lot of people are buying up all of my courses at once. So I've put them all together into a hugely discounted mega bundle. You can get all 6 of my blended training courses for less than 40% of the original sales price by picking up the Decoded mega bundle. The Essential Topology Guide is a beginner to intermediate course. If you're tired of wrestling with bad modeling, poor shading, then this is the course for you. Over dozens of tutorials, you'll learn how to master topology like a pro, solve shading artifacts, how to fix Boolean errors, and control complex curve cuts. The Essential Material Guide is a beginner to intermediate course. Even the best models fall flat without solid materials. In the Essential Material Guide, I'll show you how to craft any material that you can imagine in the shader editor. I'll teach you how to demystify the node trees, build realistic surface details, and master procedural and image-based texturing workflows. The Interior Masterclass is an intermediate to pro level course. This isn't your typical step-by-step tutorial. Instead, it's a chance to watch my full workflow for creating finely crafted detail interior renders. Over 11 hours of scene assembly, architectural block out, lighting, and detailed prop creation. You will also get a bonus asset pack. The Exterior Masterclass is also an intermediate plus level course where we take the action outdoors. As the name suggests, we're going to take a look at how to make some beautiful exterior architecture scenes. Just like the Interior Masterclass, it's not a step-by-step tutorial. It's more a showcase of my workflow where I show you how I build the scenes that I make and also try to describe the thought process behind what I'm doing. Isometric Spaces is a beginner-friendly step-by-step tutorial series where we create fantastical animations in a retro isometric style. From cozy kitchens to cyberpunk hacker layers, this course has it all. Isometric Spaces already has 4 modules and we're only just getting started. If you love diorama scenes, then you'll love this course. Tiny Spaces is also a very beginner-friendly course and is sort of a companion course to Isometric Spaces. In this course, we'll shrink down some amazing spaces and put them into some tiny containers. This course has more of a focus on nature and outdoor scenes compared to Isometric Spaces. If you don't want to buy all of my courses at once and you just want to buy an individual course, then you can use the code QUICK50 right now to save 50%. Otherwise, you can get the Decoded Mega Bundle in the link in the description and the pinned comment.